We need more snow.
Absolutely. And Melissa, now, in your delicate state, you really can't go skiing. But the rest of us, though, that looks pretty fun.
It does look a lot of fun, yeah. We're still so hopeful for the ski resorts here at Hoodoo and Willamette Pass that snow will help them to open in the near future. Here's what we did see here over the weekend. Again, your official ski report, Willamette Pass finally up to 24 inches. On Friday, they were at just 6. They picked up 18 here over the weekend. Hoodoo in a similar state now up to 24 inches as well. They need about 36 to open, so we still need another foot, which again doesn't look like it's going to happen this week. Bachelor up to 64 inches with almost 2 feet of new snow there, and Meadows up to 54 inches with 21 inches on the books. So great snow conditions this past weekend, again helping to build up that snowpack. Here's the problem though, temperatures today are going to push back up near 40 degrees. That freezing level is going to climb to over 10,000 feet for the remainder of the week, and we're likely going to lose a lot of this snowpack, unfortunately, and there's no other big storms in the near future. Now, while the Cascades were seeing that heavy snow of 1 to 2 feet, we were seeing that heavy rain here in the valley. Official rainfall totals over the weekend, about 1.5 inches for those of you in Corvallis, over 8/10 in Eugene, also seeing about the same amount in Roseburg, and over 1 inch in Central Oregon there in Bend. And as you head out to the coast, it was about 1/2 inch in Newport and almost 1 inch as you head into North Bend. So again, this was the biggest storm we had seen so far for the winter season. We're not going to see anything like this now, at least in the foreseeable future. Here's the thing, with all of that rain, we're still below average in rainfall by about 1 inch here for 2014. And Bob was asking earlier, and you may be wondering yourself, how's that possible? It's been raining nonstop for the past 5-6 days. That is true, but for the first week of the year, it was bone dry. And typically we see at least 1/4 inch of rainfall per day. And so that did set us back from day one. In terms of high temperatures, it's been above average at 53. Typically, we're in the mid to upper 40s, and overnight, we've only dropped down to the low 40s. It's much more common to be in the low 30s this time of year, and we are going to get back closer to those average temperatures as we head into this next week. High pressure is returning to the Pacific Northwest, so as that jet stream heads back to the north, takes all the stormy weather with it. High pressure also brings in clear skies, gets rid of that cloud cover, and also brings in a little bit of warmer air from the south, and you can see that with our jet stream forecast, that warmer air moving in from the south, that jet stream pushing further to the north, and that will keep us storm free for at least the next 5 days. Here's the problem though, in the Willamette Valley this time of year likely means that we'll see a temperature inversion that'll allow that fog to form and stay put. So for us, it's actually going to be a little bit cooler. But for the coast, it's back to the mid-50s starting today. A little bit drizzle out there this morning, otherwise becoming sunny this afternoon. Winds will stay light. The Umpqua Basin back to the low 50s. A little bit of patchy fog, but I still expect that sunshine later this afternoon. And it's down close to that freezing mark here later tonight. Cascades again beginning to warm up. High temperatures back into the low 40s by this afternoon. Central Oregon back into the mid to upper 40s. Mostly sunny, dry for you. Should be a beautiful day there. And for the Willamette Valley, high temperatures back into the low to mid 50s. A little bit of morning cloud cover and some fog. Otherwise becoming sunny and will stay dry today. And here's what you can expect for the next 7-day stretch of the coast. It's going to be warm. It's going to be sunny, dry, beautiful with high temperatures approaching 60 degrees this week. For the Umpqua Basin, again, dealing with that fog all week. Highs will be in the upper 40s, lows down in the low 30s. The Cascades, unfortunately, warm with those highs in the upper 40s and low 50s. And for the valley, we'll see our high temperatures settling in the low to mid 40s overnight, down below freezing by a touch the next 4-day stretch. Again, it's going to be dry, but we do have to deal with that fog for another week.
Yeah.